Welcome back. It's me, Ritvik Buxy. Today we're gonna make something special. We're gonna make a shooter game which has an enemy which will follow the shooter, and if the enemy touches the shooter, he will die. There are 3 parts for this, and I'm gonna make a playlist for that if I make the part 3. So let's continue to the video. So let's make a sprite or search a sprite which will be shooting. Okay, let's paint it. I'll paint something like a circle. Like this, with a turret in the front. Something which will shoot. Okay, so he will be right here, and we're going to name this as the shooter number 1. And if you want to make shooter number 2, you can. There will be 2 shooters, or you can multiply the shooter numbers. But here I'm going to create a clone. If you want, let's duplicate it. So I want 3, and with these 3 I'm going to make an enemy right here which will come to attack some of these 3. So at first we need these 3 to point at the mouse pointer. So let's get the forever clock, get click, point towards mouse pointer, mouse pointer. So shooter number 1 is pointing towards the mouse pointer, not the others. Give the same, go to the others. Now everyone is looking at it. Okay, after this we need to have to make the enemies. So let's paint the enemy. You can also choose any sprite here. I just want to paint it. So let's go and paint. Excuse me. So here what will paint? Okay, let's do something like this. Okay, I think 2 pixels here. No, each square is 4 pixels. If each one of these squares are 4 pixels apart. This is 8 by 8, so this must be 4 pixels. What kind of enemy should I draw? Okay, I'm gonna okay guys, so this is our enemy. he can't shoot it. He can't shoot, but I'm gonna give him a gun anyway. So let's name this enemy. And how many? Yeah, enemy. Not an enemy. Sorry. And yeah, this enemy is gonna be right here. He'll keep on multiplying, and these guys will shoot him, and yeah, will make him shoot. Like, what will go and hit him? That, oh yeah, bullet. Let's paint the bullet. I want this to be some pixel spot, so I'm doing it constantly. Okay, not that big. I'm painting out here. Okay. This could be enough, or you could give it some effects. You can go to the effects and my mouse trail video, but go watch there after this video. I will put this mouse trail video link in the description below. Watch that after this video, okay? So name this bullet, and we're gonna make this red. So paint it red for the rainbow effect. So we're gonna code the whole part in the part 2 and enjoy your day.